Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video and welcome back to another video on my 2013 CRF230F. Now on my first video that you may have seen, which was just a bit of an introduction to the bike, I showed you where the VIN number was, but I have had a comment saying that I didn't show where the engine number was, so that's what I'll do in this video. It's a nice, quick, easy video. I'm just going to show you where the engine number is on this bike. So we're going to be looking over the left-hand side of the bike, just down by the gear lever. And just behind, stamped onto the engine there, that is our engine number. So nice and easy to find. You should be able to find it relatively easy, and you might just need to give it a clean there. So nice and easy, that is our engine number. So like I said in the first video, I'm going to be making some more videos on this bike. Please leave me some comments down below for the type of videos you want to see. And please subscribe to my channel and give this video the thumbs up. See you next time.